In the previous few lectures, we have learned how to create an endpoint to insert and update records in the database. Now we also need one endpoint to delete the record or records which we are going to learn in this lecture. Let's begin. Right below this, I am adding a new API endpoint for delete. I will say user.delete. Endpoint name, let's say delete user /:id. Request and response object, arrow function, and now the logic comes in. That is the connect method dot then underscore db, arrow function, and dot catch err the object, arrow function, response dot send, error dot toString. And now let's write the delete logic. Underscore db dot collection, the name is users, dot delete one, parentheses, curly brackets, id colon, object id, request dot params dot id, comma, error and response data, callback arrow function. If there is any error, I'll say response dot send, error dot toString, otherwise response send the response data. Let's save the file. Now it's time to check the API in Postman. I'm creating one new request here, delete user. Select the delete method and API path, that is the URL /user/delete user/id. I am selecting one ID from the database and paste it. Let's execute this, and we have the response which says delete count 1. We can verify this in the database, or else if we try to execute this one more time, then the response here we have is deleted count 0, because the record was already deleted, and when this API was executed for the second time with the same ID, it did not find any record. In this example, we saw how to delete single data using the ID. To make this dynamic, we can use request body to pass the query that we want to delete, which we have already seen in the previous assignment, that is updating data.